once every 176 years, the planets of our solar system align on one side of the Sun, making it possible to observe every planet in the outer solar system in a single flyby. In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1 and 2 to do just that.
And we have liftoff.
Over the next 12 years, the Voyager spacecraft explored all the giant outer planets, 48 of their moons, and their unique systems of rings and magnetic fields.
To this day, 45 years later,
and now in interstellar space, Voyager is still exploring beyond our solar system and transmitting information back to Earth, now over 13 billion miles away. As an homage to this rich history and the farthest human-made object in space, we launched the Xeric Voyager Automatic, NASA Edition. A limited edition timepiece that reminds us of the value of exploration. Whether it's in deep ocean or deep space, the Voyager Automatic can withstand 100 times the pressure of Earth's own atmosphere. With this 1,000-meter depth rating, we've also integrated a helium escape valve into the case, preventing a pressure differential that can occur during deep dives. The watch is powered by the self-winding Seiko NH35 automatic movement. As you wear it, the rotor winds the mainspring, creating stored mechanical energy that powers the watch. The movement is housed in a robust stainless steel case complete with a tactile 120-click rotating bezel fit for divers. The dial features NASA's iconic worm logo and a uniquely layered surface. A thick coating of superluminova is applied to the hands and dial, extending legibility in the dark. The watch dial is protected by an ultra scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. The caseback features an inlaid replica of the golden record cover, which is found on the outside of the Voyager spacecraft, intended to communicate a story of our world to any intelligent life it could encounter in its journey.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
And we've custom molded a new silicone strap which retains a shape reminiscent of ribbed astronaut gloves, and in an array of two-tone colors. Made to withstand extreme conditions, the Voyager Automatic will be your constant companion as you explore your world. Reserve your watch now, as each colorway is limited to just 1,977 pieces, commemorating the year the Voyager spacecraft left Earth and began its iconic mission through space.